I built my website on Caffeine AI on ICP earlier this year. Yesterday, I deleted it and moved everything over to Claude Code while hosting my website directly on ICP, building using Claude Code directly and putting it up to the ICP CLI. Oh my God, this is incredible. I made a website at jerrybanfield.com that is it is a long form sales page for my membership community, Jerry Banfield Family. Look at this website that Claude Code cranked out easily. I'm on the $100 a month plan. I do a ton of stuff with Claude Code, and this website is so much better than the one that Caffeine AI did. I love how it looks. It is super fast too. Like Caffeine AI was taking a while to crank everything out. And instead, I look at this page speed. First time, like Claude Code made me a super nice lightweight website. Caffeine AI was struggling to get to like 90. And this is on jerrybanfield.com mobile, 98. This is ripping. Super fast, 100 page speed on desktop. And this is so fully customizable. And Caffeine AI trying to go through with the credits and everything is much more expensive than Claude Code because I can do a bunch of heavy lifting. And what I'm going to do with Claude Code that would have been very difficult with Caffeine AI is I'm going to turn all of these videos that I'm making into new blog posts on jerrybanfield.com. So right now, I just set this up as a long form sales page, and this is still pretty basic. We're going to add to this and make this better. But all I did is talk into my microphone and explain what kind of page I wanted. I gave it screenshots and linked to my different videos and YouTube channels. And then Claude Code cranked this entire website out, and then I was easily able to make changes. Claude Code is so much faster than Caffeine AI, and the future of ICP, just the web hosting alone on ICP is incredible, because what's special about having this website on ICP is I'm only getting charged for the cycles I'm actually using when people go to the website. I don't have to pay a fixed monthly cost like $30 a month on Caffeine AI. This sits here and it only burns cycles when people actually go to the website, but it's a lightweight website, as you can just see. If you look on here on the mobile, the total page load on this whole thing was, where's the page load on here? It is not loading that much. It doesn't have to load that much in terms of the data. So it's got everything optimized. It's fast, it's smooth, it's lightweight. So I'm only paying when I'm actually using the cycles. So if my website doesn't get much traffic, I'm not going to get charged that much. And I'm able to fund it with extra cycles. So if I go viral again, this website can get used a whole lot. And the Claude Code sets everything up just how I want it. It's so nice. I don't have to pay for any like WordPress theme. I don't have to get stuck with all these crappy recurring costs. This is so bullish for ICP when you see that even just using this as web hosting infrastructure, like this is so good. Now, Caffeine AI is easier if you're a beginner, and I know it's a little intimidating to start whipping out Claude Code and installing that, but it's not that hard. Literally all I had to do inside Claude. So I got Claude, I signed up on a $100 a month plan, and the guy, Rob, that I interviewed earlier inspired me. He was talking about the website he built directly on ICP, and I'm like, okay, he did this, let me try it. So all I did is installed the Claude desktop app. I bought the $100 a month plan, which I do a ton of things on that $100 a month plan. I'm going through right now, and I'm going to take all my videos, all my books, and crank all of them out as blog posts on my website to bring in organic traffic, to get that on Google. And then I'm training all of that material on my custom GPT also, which is available if you're a part of the Jerry Banfield family. You get that custom GPT that you can access, and it's like being able to ask me questions and get answers in real time. So this is super bullish for ICP when you see how truly useful the infrastructure is, that anyone that's using Claude Code and can directly put everything on ICP. The hosting cost is nearly free if you don't have much traffic and if you have a lightweight website. Imagine web developers finding this and moving all their clients over to host on ICP. It's just amazing. So if you want the best experience with me, go to my new website, take a look at it, and then join the family where you will have me in your DMs every day. You can message me and I get back to you right away. I've got the app on my phone. You get a one-on-one call with me included with your membership. And there's weekly group calls that you can be, as a founding member, you can decide when and what day and time those calls are. You get access to my AI members only events. And if you're a super fan, you get access to all the other super fans in there and you feel great about supporting me. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you on the next video and in the Jerry Banfield family.